Hello everyone, I want to share with you something that could be very helpful to you in your game. How many of you do this? You come back and you shoot too quick. Well, that's a bad stroke transition, and it can be very difficult to try to stop from doing that because your muscle memory is so badly ingrained, it's hard to change. Well, I was at that stage in my development as a player early on, and I finally figured out how to get past it. And it was with a drill that I'm about to show you. And I got this from Neil's Fine. Now the layout isn't like Neil's. This is just my layout. 8 balls on the table. You can put the balls anywhere you want, or you can do it like I have them here, where they're just in line with the diamonds. I'm starting with ball in hand, so I'm creating an angle on that shot in that side pocket. Now this is the key to this. Have your cue back. Step into the shot. Make sure it's aligned and just push through the cue ball. So now let's take another view from this angle so that I can show you how I step into the shot and execute the stroke. And here you can see as I align the shot, I step into it with my cue in the ready position. Then without any practice strokes, just push through the cue ball. And it's so good, you guys. It really helped me with my game. Step into the shot, push through the cue ball. Step into the shot, push through the cue ball. So good. A lot of players struggle with this, and it's, like I say, it was a game changer. It took me a little while to figure it out, but once I got it, boy, it helped me with my stroke transition a lot. Overcut it a little bit. Got away with it. I'm going to go in the side pocket with some low inside. Perfect. And just push through. So what is the significance of doing this? Well, what it is, it's all about the muscle memory. You know, when I started and I was rapidly going through the cue ball from back to forward, it was difficult for me to stop that. So I was trying to find ways that I could retrain my mind so that I wouldn't resort to doing that. And when I saw Neil's video, I thought I got to give this a chance. And it really does help. I'll assure you that if you do this for a while, you'll all of a sudden be able to come back when you're at the ball and you do your feathers, you'll be able to come back and stop and then shoot. It's the best way to get rid of a bad muscle memory is to override it with a new good muscle memory. In this exercise, when we come into the ball with the cue back and stop and no feathers and just shoot, it does exactly that. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. I'll answer every one. If you want to see another great video about strokes, watch that one right there. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.